Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have the sample sizes. Now convert them to degrees of freedom. df1 equals numerator groups minus 1, df2 equals denominator observations minus groups. Once done, pick the alpha you need, like 0. 0.5, that controls the tail area. Make sure to decide one-tailed versus two-tailed ahead of time because the table entries differ. Next, prepare the table or software. You will match df1 on rows and df2 on columns, so get those labels ready. Now open the F table and find the row for your df1, then scan across to locate the column for your df2. Once you intersect that row and column, read the critical F value, that is your cutoff for rejecting H0. If df exceed the table range, use the largest listed df to be conservative, or switch to software which interpolates. Also, remember that tables usually show upper-tail probabilities, so match the alpha format you selected. Finally, compare your observed F statistic to the critical value you found. If observed F is larger, reject the null hypothesis. If values are close, compute the exact p-value in software for precision, because tables are limited. If you get unexpected results, double-check your df calculations and whether you used one-tailed versus two-tailed entries. Errors there are common. And if a table seems inconsistent, switch to a calculator or stats package to verify the critical value quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.